This is what I've got in the backyard because of the hurricane. We had some winds and rain. So there's branches down all over. There's a big one there. And another big one. I'm gonna drag them out to the fire pit. Everything's wet too. And wet wood does not burn well. Try not to trip over everything. Get some of this big stuff over there. If I can breathe. That's why they fall, it's because the wood is rotted or old. Here's another big one. Just gotta oops, got mud on me. It's the last day of September. I'll have to get out here tomorrow and try and get a fire going. Use my bucket. I need to take a shower. Put that in there for tomorrow.